Proco was established in 2008, is a professional company specializing in many fields, such as construction consulting and supervision, pre-feasibility report preparation, technical design, construction drawing design and project estimation. Proco directly participate in construction of civil and industrial projects, foundation treatment and especially bridge, tunnel, and road projects. Proco has been developing rapidly from specializing in providing highly qualified human resources, such as project manager, project engineers, foremen. In addition, Proco also can direct imports and distributes construction equipment and materials to the domestic market. Especially, Proco is an expert in installing and operating the auto-climbing formwork system, jumping formwork system, tower crane, passenger hoist, mobile formwork system. With a team of key staff with in-depth knowledge and extensive experience, Proco has been participating in many large projects in Vietnam and also Southeast Asia, such as Bai Che Cable-Stayed Bridge at Quang Ninh Province in Vietnam, National Convention Center at Hanoi, capital of Vietnam, Can Tho Cable-Stayed Bridge at Can Tho City in Vietnam, Thursday Tame 2 Bridge Construction Project at Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, Nam Chien Hydroelectric Dam Project at Son La Province in Vietnam, LNG Tank Project in Indonesia, and many high-rise building projects in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi, capital of Vietnam. Proco is becoming a professional and reputable construction contractor for projects that requiring high technology. With Proco, nothing is impossible. You build your dreams, we build reality. Proco, your trusted partner. In 2024, Proco is assigned the responsibility of directly manufacturing, installing and operating the auto-climbing formwork system and jumping formwork system for the pylon construction of the Zathapine and Atran cable-stayed bridges in Malamine, Myanmar. Zathapine Bridge is a cable-stayed bridge, located in the East-West Corridor project of Malamine with a main span of 470 meters long, and two side spans of 164 meters long. The total main bridge length is about 798 meters. The A-shaped pylon about 90 meters high from the top of pile cap is built of high-grade reinforced concrete, and incorporating a steel shell as an anchor for the stay cables. The pylon is divided into 25 lifts of casting, including 2 cross beams. The lower cross beam is at lift 15 and the upper cross beam is at lift 20. A temporary strut shall be installed at lift 10 to maintain the shape of the 2 pylon legs during construction. The steel anchorage shell shall be installed from lift 16 to the top of the pylon. According to the sequence of construction stage analysis, the construction steps are calculated very meticulously and carefully. The pylon is completely built, prior installation of stayed cable, and stressing step by step. The ACS system is anchored to the concrete of the previous construction segment by using anchors called climbing anchor cone system. After each construction segment, the ACS system is operated to climb to the next upper segment using a rail system and hydraulic cylinder system. This system can make the ACS climb to the upper segment without using any other equipment other than itself. There are 9 manholes arranged on the pylon along with the galvanized ladder ensuring a clear access from lift 6 to the top inside pylon. The pylon's reinforcement is installed directly from lift 5 to lift 7, and is pre-installed from lift 8 to lift 14. From lift 16 to the top, the reinforcement is installed directly after installing the steel anchor shell. To construct the pylon, the tower crane and passenger hoist system are mobilized to the site as essential equipment. The tower crane is erected as soon as the construction lift 4 is completed. The hoist is installed right after construction lift 9. The typical construction cycle can be changed depending on the actual construction conditions at the construction site, but basically it will be installing the steel guide frame and reinforcement, acceptance and grouting the mechanical coupler, climbing the ACS up to the next lift, install the formwork and inspection it, casting concrete and curing, then remove the formwork and continue curing. Then the cycle returns for the next step of installing the steel guide frame and reinforcement.